Mr. Clelland for Clelland Maths. So today we're doing National 5 Maths and it is expanding brackets. Let's go. Remember, all of these are taken from maths.school, an excellent website, plus the SQA material which is used with permission. Example 1 says, multiply out the brackets and collect like terms. Well, I always use a box for multiplying out brackets, so I'm not going to stop there. So we've got 5 box x plus 4 on this side, plus 3 box 2x plus 1. And then all my answers go inside the box. So 5 times x is 5x, 5 times 4 is 20, 3 times 2x is 6x, and 3 times 1 is 3. And we can just add the x's. 5x and 6x make 11x, and 20 and 3 make 23. And we're done there. Clelland Maths is sponsored by Lecky, the educational publisher for Scotland. Now, going from National 4 to National 5 Maths can be quite a difficult thing for a lot of pupils. That's why Lecky have got National 4 to National 5 Maths Bridging Skills book. This revises everything from National 4 to help you prepare yourself for National 5. It's got questions on every topic, it's bright and colourful, and it has hints and tips and work solutions to everything as well. This is just £6.99 when you use the discount code Clelland Maths. I highly recommend it if you are now moving on to National 5 Maths. Clelland Maths at leckyscotland.co.uk. Link is in the description. Okay, example 2. Multiply out the brackets and collect like terms. So I've got minus 2 box 3x plus 4. So we'll put that on this and then split it. And then it says plus 5. 2x minus 5. And then remember, all our answers just go inside our box. I'll use a different colour for this so it's really clear. We'll just use blue. So minus 2 times 3 is minus 6x. Minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. Then 5 times 2 is 10, so that's plus 10x. And then 5 times 5 is 25, so that's minus 25. So our final answer we can just take outside the box. Minus 6x plus 10x is, well, 10 minus 6 is 4x. Then minus 8 minus 25 is minus 33. And we're done there. Now remember, if you're liking this content, we've got the National 5 Maths app coming in the end of October. If you're watching this live, or it might already be out, you just go to n5app.clellandmaths.com. It's completely free. Example 3, expand x bracket 3x plus 4. We could use a box for this or not. With single brackets, it's quite often I don't bother, but for the sake of completeness, I'll do the same thing as I always do. So just watch out. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times 4 is 4x. So our answer is 3x squared plus 4x. And we're done there. Example 4. 6x bracket minus 2x add 3. So we've got 6x minus 2x plus 3. So 6 times 2 is 12. So that's minus 12x squared. And then 6 times 3 is 18. So that's plus 18x. So that's our answer. Minus 12x squared plus 18x. And we're done there. Example 5. So this is collect like terms and expand double brackets. So for double brackets, it's a big box. On one side, I put one bracket. And on the other side, I put the other bracket. And I can use that for factorising later on as well. But we'll split it up into 4 this time, wherever the sign is. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. 5 times x is 5x. And 5 times 2 is 10. Now, obviously, this is not the only way to do it. Your teacher might be teaching you some other methods, like FOIL, or just drawing like rainbows almost. I prefer this method because it's nice and clear and you can see exactly all the steps and you just don't miss anything. Remember, if you're liking this content, we've also got members only for £4.99 with regular live streams coming up to the exam, so you might want to get on that. Example 6, expand and collect like terms. So again, it's a double bracket one. It's just got some minuses, nothing to worry about. Minus x plus 6 and 3x minus 5. Split up our box. So that gives us, watch out for your signs here. 3x times minus x is minus 3x squared. 3x times 6 is 18x, so I just like to write the sign that goes along with that. That's plus. Minus 5 times minus x. Well, a minus times a minus is a plus, so that's plus 5x. And then minus 5 times 6 is minus 30. So that gives us minus 3x squared. 18 plus 5 is 23x. And then we've got minus 30 hanging out on the end. And we're done there. Example 7, expand and simplify fully, x plus 2, x squared plus x plus 3. So it's double brackets, but it's 3 terms and 2 terms, so you can't use a method like FOIL. You'll have to use a different method. I always use a grid, but you can also just do x times everything and 2 times everything. It does the same thing. But using a grid, you've got a box, x plus 2 on one side, and x squared plus x minus 3, x squared plus x plus 3, sorry, on the other side. Split every time you see a sign, basically, because everything gets times together, and all my answers go in the box. X times x squared is x cubed, x times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x, 2 times x squared in the bottom is plus 2x squared, 2 times x is plus 2x, and 2 times 3 is plus 6. And the power of this method is diagonals go together. So you're going to have x cubed, then this, then 6. So the answer is x cubed. X squared plus 2x squared is 3x squared. 3x plus 2x is 5x, of course, and then you've got plus 6 just waiting, and we're done there. Another one, example 8, expand and simplify fully, 2x minus 1, 7x squared plus x minus 5. So I'm going to draw my grid. 2x minus 1, 7x squared, plus x, then minus 5. Watching my signs, 2 times 7 is 14, so that's 14x cubed. 2x times x is just 2x squared. 2x times 5 is 10, so that's minus 10x. Minus 1 times 7 is minus 7x squared. Minus 1 times x is minus x, or minus 1x. And then minus 1 times minus 5, a minus times a minus is a plus, so plus 5 on the end. So now we've got 14x cubed. The x squareds, minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5 of them. The x's, minus 10 minus 1 is minus 11. And then the plus 5 hanging out. And we're done there. SQA National 5 Maths 2014, paper 1, question 2 on expanding brackets. Multiply out the brackets and collect like terms. But a standard one this, so we've got a box. 2x minus 5 on one side and 3x plus 1 on the other. Split it into 4 and begin. 3 times 2 is 6x squared. 3 times 5 is 15, but it's minus 15x. 1 times 2x is plus 2x. And 1 times minus 5 is minus 5. Usually get a mark if you get that far, then collect like terms. So outside the box, you've got 6x squared. These two go together, so being careful, minus 15 plus 2 is minus 13, x, and then minus 5 on the end. And we're done there. National 5 Maths 2015, paper 1, question 4 on expanding brackets. Multiply out the brackets, x minus 4, x squared plus x minus 2. Now, if you use FOIL at school, you can't use FOIL for this because that only works for double brackets with 2 terms. So I always use a box so I don't have to think about FOIL. A box, I've got one big box. On one side of the box, I've got my first bracket, which is x minus 4, and on the other side, I've got x squared plus x minus 2. Now I can split up my box in between each term, and we're just timesing everything together, so I'll put my answers in a different colour so it's clear. So we have got x times x squared, which is x cubed, x times x plus x squared, x times minus 2, minus 2x, minus 4 times x squared, minus 4x squared, minus 4 times x is minus 4x, and minus 4 times minus 2 is plus 8. Watch for minus times a minus. Now you should notice that boxes in this diagonal go together, so when I want to get them out the box, I've got x cubed. Then these two go together, so that's minus 4 plus 1 minus 3x squared. Then these two go together, so that's minus 4 minus 2, which is minus 6x. And then I've got plus 8 on the end. And I'm done there. 2017 paper 1 question 4. Very, very similar, so I'll do it the same way. Set my grid up. 2x add 3 on one side. X squared minus 4x add 1 on the other side. Times it all together. 2x cubed minus 8x squared plus 2x. And then the bottom, 3x squared minus 12x plus 3. Putting it all together, so our x squared term becomes minus 5x squared, and our x term becomes minus 10x. So our final answer is 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 10x and 3. SQA National 5 Maths 2018 Paper 1 Question 2. Expand and simplify. Well, I always use the box method for this, so I'm not going to stop now. So I've got one set of brackets on one side, 3x plus 1 times x minus 1. So I'm going to expand and simplify that. And then it's plus another box, 2 on one side times x squared minus 5 on the other. So I can now easily expand it using a different colour to highlight the answers. 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times minus 1 is minus 3x. 1 times x is plus 1x. 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. So there's my first set of answers. And then over in the other box, 2 times x squared is 2x squared. You might want to put a plus. And 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. And then taking our answer outside the box in. Collecting like terms, so looking at our x squared, we get 3x squared and 2x squared, so that's 5x squared. Looking at our x terms, being careful, we've got minus 3x plus 1x is minus 2x, nothing on this side, so it's minus 2x. And looking at our number parts, we've got minus 1, minus 10, so that gives me minus 11. And I'm done there. Past paper question 2019. This comes from paper 1 question 3. Quite often these questions will either come at the start of the paper, nice and easy to get you going, or maybe towards the end of the paper when you've had to write an expression yourself. But let's just deal with the simple cases. So we've got x add 5, 2x squared minus 7x take away 3. Hopefully you get an idea now. I draw my grid. On one side goes the first bracket. So I'll put x add 5 down the side. And the other side goes the other bracket, 2x squared minus 7x minus 3, times it all together. I've got x times 2x squared is 2x cubed, x times minus 7x minus 7x squared, x times minus 3 minus 3x, 5 times 2 is 10, so 10x squared, put a plus in, 5 times 7 is 35, so minus 35x, 5 times 3 is 15, so minus 15. Putting it all together in the same way, we will have an answer of, are we ready? 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 38x minus 15. 5 Maths 2023, paper 1 question 2. Expand and simplify, so an expand and simplify question. So we've got x plus 7 squared plus 6 times x squared minus 10. I'll do this in the same way I always do it, using the box method, but you could have done it any other way. So x plus 7 squared means I've got x plus 7 times x plus 7. You expand that bracket. Plus 6 times x squared minus 10. X times x is x squared plus 7x. 7 times x is plus 7x. 7 sevens is 49. Plus 6 times x squared is 6x squared. 6 tens is 60, taken away. So now I can just put everything in the boxes together. So looking at the x squareds first, I've got 1x squared plus 6x squared, so that's 7x squared. Looking at the x's, 7 and 7 is 14x, no other x's. So plus 14x. And finally, I've got 49, take away 60. So that's negative 11. And we're done there. SQA National 5 Maths 2024, question 3, paper 1, question 3. X plus 1 times x squared minus 4x plus 5. So I usually draw a box for these. X plus 1. X squared minus 4x plus 5, expanding it all. And then we've got x times x is x cubed, minus 4, x squared, 5x is 5x, 1x squared is just x squared, 1 times minus 4x is minus 4x, and 1 times 5 is plus 5. So I've got x cubed, minus 4x squared plus an x squared is minus 3x squared, 5x minus 4x is 1x, and then a plus 5 on the end, and we're done there. SQA National 5 Maths 2025, Paper 1, Question 2. Expand and simplify, so I always use grids for this, so I'm not going to change that now. X plus 3, x plus 5, plus 4, x minus 2. So that's x squared plus 3x plus 5x plus 15, 4x, and that's a plus, and then 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. So I've got x squared, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 x's. And then the number parts, 15 take away 8 is 7, so it's plus 7, and we're done there. This has been Clelland Maths, and today we've done the whole of expanding brackets in National 5 Maths. Hopefully you found that useful, and like I said, the app is out very soon, end of October 2025, completely free for you to go through, and you'll get a video on that soon. And also we've got our members only live streams every single month, so get on that if you want some extra help. Take care, stay safe, and goodbye.